patience, everybody. We'll just be beginning in a few minutes.
Very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you present here with us today. It is a pleasure to be back with a super hit show, Road Track Talks. Road Track Talks is a platform where we invite people from different aspects of life who have proved that with strong will and dedication, nothing in this world shall be impossible. Today, we have with us an eminent personality whose area of specialization is not only confined to one single field, but is spread across multiple fields. We are so glad to have with us today such a multi-talented persona of intellect, art, music, dance, entertainment, and a fashion icon in the film industry. Ms. Paresha Sharma, it's a pleasure to have you here with us today. Ms. Paresha has earned a degree in aerospace engineering. However, an engineer in India is multi-talented, and our guest for today is the perfect example for this. Apart from this, our guest for today has also earned a name in the film and entertainment industry and has received a diploma in acting from actor Anupam Kher. Being a persona of multi-talent, she has managed to handle many professions at the same time and has played numerous roles ranging from advertisements to TV serials, theaters, web series, and even music videos. Not only this, she is also a fashion influencer and a blogger, as well as a fitness enthusiast. Her blogs have gained a lot of fame and recognition. A very warm welcome to you, Ms. Paresha.
A very warm welcome to you, Paresha, and thank you for joining us today. So we'll begin with our question. So first thing first, so you did your engineering in aerospace engineering. So what took you from engineering to this career path? Yeah, am I bet? Is it better now? I think there's some technical issue. Maybe Paresha, you can connect your audio. I think that's the problem there.
Rename பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Yeah. Am I audible now, Parisha? Yeah. Finally, you're connected. So, am I audible now? Am I audible? You're not audible. Maybe there's some issue with your microphone. Would you like to rejoin? For the audience, by then, please plan your questions. You can go through Parisha's Instagram profile. She's a terrific actor. She's a terrific blogger. So you can have your questions. You can have your questions regarding the industry as well. So yeah, please have your questions in mind so that you can all ask them towards the end of the session. Yeah, glad to have you back. So
thank you so much, finally.
So yeah, so I'll begin with the first question, and that's the biggest curiosity I had. Engineering in aerospace, and then coming to this field, modeling and fashion career. How did this happen?
Actually, what happened is कि मैंने ना अपने engineering start करने से पहले IIT की coaching भी करी थी. But then after my second year in my graduation, I was like, this is not my thing. मतलब इतना boring हो जा रहा था ना पूरे में maths और physics. Then I was searching of something else. तो मैंने पता नहीं कैसे अचानक से ना जैसे आप गूगल पे कुछ भी सर्च करो तो आपको एकदम से कुछ मिल जाता है, तो मुझे एकदम से साइड में ना बालाजी टेलीविजन से ना उनका एड दिखाई दिया एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट मी ट्राई. तो मैंने उनका ना फॉर्म फिल किया और मतलब पता नहीं कैसे वहां से अचानक से मुझे कॉल भी आ गया एंड देन आई कन्विंस माय पेरेंट्स कि नहीं नहीं मुझे तो आया है, मुझे एकता कपूर के यहाँ से कॉल आया है, आप प्लीज लेके चलो मुझे. देन दे वर लाइक कि नहीं नहीं, और मतलब कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली तो उन लोगों को कन्विंस करना ना काफी ज्यादा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए, बट दे हैव बीन सपोर्टिव ऑलवेज. तो उन लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि अच्छा चलो ठीक है. उनको आई थिंक बैक ऑफ देयर माइंड दे वर लाइक इसको होना तो कुछ है नहीं, बट दे टुक मी देयर ना इन दिल्ली. देन आई वेंट थ्रू द ऑडिशन. मतलब आई थिंक दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट ऑडिशन ऑफ माय लाइफ, बट इट वेंट वेल. और पता नहीं कैसे ना दे गाइस सेलेक्टेड मी. मतलब ऑल ओवर इंडिया देयर वर so many people and they just selected 10 out of them and I was the 7th candidate. Then my parents were like कि ना ये ना genuine नहीं है actually, तो तुमको ऐसे कुछ करना नहीं है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू योर ग्रेजुएशन, क्योंकि अगर इसमें आगे चल के आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता तो फिर मतलब कैसे आप क्या करोगे. तो यू शुड फर्स्ट कंप्लीट योर ग्रेजुएशन एंड देन यू कैन डू एनीथिंग व्हाट यू लाइक. तो मैंने फिर 2 साल और वेट किया एंड देन I completed my graduation, but the same year I went Mumbai and I joined Anupam Kher Actor Prepares. तो वहाँ मेरी 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग थी. Am I audible? Okay. तो वहाँ ना मेरी 3 महीने फिर देन माय पेरेंट्स वर लाइक कि अब तो मतलब तुम्हारा मन था तो तुमने कर लिया, अब तुम वापस आ जाओ. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मतलब आपने मुझे भेजा क्यों था, ऐसे तो दिस इज नॉट डन राइट, कि आप पहले मुझे भेज रहे हो। तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हारा मन था वो हो गया, आप वापस आ जाओ। मैंने कहा नहीं, मुझे इसमें अपना करियर बनाना है, आगे जाना है, तो आई शुड कंटिन्यू। And he was like, no, no, then it was again a task for me. He called me back to Delhi and then I was like, नहीं अब मेरा तो मन ही नहीं लगा। And I was never a job oriented person, तो मुझे जॉब तो करना नहीं था। अब भी मैं बस ना घर पे ऐसे बैठी हुई थी कि मैंने कहा आपको नहीं कराना मत कराओ, मैं जॉब भी नहीं करूंगी। Then he had to send me back and again मतलब मैं एक साल बाद बॉम्बे गई, then again I have to start from scratch, from like zero, and I had no idea about it कि मतलब कहाँ से start करना है, क्या करना है। धीरे धीरे मुझे चीजें पता लगी कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है, कुछ प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस पता लगे। आई वेंट देयर, तो ऐसे कुछ हुआ।
That's great to hear, Ma. So you have gained fame and recognition in various fields. So I'm very curious to know how are you able to handle so many professions at the same time?
Not so many professions, but right now blogging and acting is my main thing which I am doing right now. तो मतलब एक्टिंग मैं कर रही थी, बट बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं थे कि मतलब मेरा पूरा महीना या फिर हर दिन बिजी रहूं। इंस्टाग्राम वाज द अनदर थिंग व्हिच आई स्टार्टेड। सो a friend of mine introduced Instagram to me. I was like, I didn't knew anything about Instagram कि होता क्या है। मतलब in 2015 I think I started. I just knew that कि मतलब बस you have to post pictures on Instagram and that's it. और मतलब नेक्स्ट 2 इयर्स तक मुझे यही लगता रहा कि हाँ शायद बस इतना ही होता है, यही होता है, और मुझे नहीं पता था कुछ भी। एंड देन इन 2000 आई थिंक 17 आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट कोलेबोरेशन फ्रॉम डेट द इट्स अ रेंटल वेबसाइट। तो तब मुझे पता चला कि नहीं, इट्स अ प्रोफेशन, मतलब आप इसमें आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो, इट्स अ फुल टाइम वर्क। मतलब आज भी बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है ब्लॉगिंग के बारे में इतना। मतलब कोई मुझसे पूछता है, जैसे यंगस्टर्स में मेनली सब लोग को पता होता है, बट ओल्डर जनरेशन को पूछो तो दे आर लाइक कि अच्छा बेटा क्या कर रहे हो तुम, अच्छा फिर इसके अलावा तुमने आगे कुछ सोचा है करने का। तो ये है, बट इट्स अ फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन, तो मतलब इसमें चल जाते हैं अच्छा।
So yeah, now that I can see your journey, it seems like okay, it was filled with challenges. You must have had your own struggles, like you told, your parents were not very supportive of it, and you know, then you had to find things out on your own. So one thing that I feel like, I mean, I want you to answer is, how did you overcome these obstacles? So matlab, I am assuming that at that time you must be a youngster, and then didn't you have those sort of apprehensions that how it's going to be? So what was your driving force? What made you overcome those obstacles?
एक्चुअली द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम इज कि मतलब एक बार जो आपने सोच लिया, यू हैव टू फिनिश इट। लाइक मतलब मैंने एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग भी ज्वाइन करी थी, ऑल्दो माय डैड वाज नॉट कन्विंस्ड, ही वांटेड मी टू गो फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस, बट आई वाज लाइक नो, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट आई हैव टू डू। देन आई फिर मतलब उसमें भी ऐसा हुआ था एक टाइम, आई वांटेड टू लाइक कट इट ऑफ, don't wanted to continue in that, but I was like कि नहीं, मैंने किया है, then I have to complete it. So मतलब in this profession also, they were not with me from the very beginning, but I made them realize कि नहीं, मतलब you should give me some time, मतलब थोड़ा patience आपको रखना पड़ेगा, but वो हो जाएगा। तो शुरू में तो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब इतना मेरे झगड़े भी होते थे कि नहीं 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 मैं कर लूंगी। but
So it's
eventually
like it has
they
been
saw
a
me.
tough journey for you throughout.
Very tough. Actually, it was me only fighting for me. There was no one in the starting supporting me. But now they all are like, yes, you have done it.
Okay, Parisha. So take us back to your childhood, maybe, or your days in engineering college, and then to where you are now. So, were you always this multi talented, or you grabbed things all along the way? How was it?
Yeah, you can say that I grabbed things all along my way. I was never a multi-talented, but you can call me a multitasking person. So it was like I always wanted to do something creative in my life. Matlab, not a very technical person, although I graduated as a technical person, but so मैं क्वेश्चन भूल गई, आपने मुझे क्या पूछा था?
Wahi, that I mean, as I was a big fan of yours while I was going through your profile. So I saw that you started with photography, then with modeling,
Yeah.
and
Mhm.
then so I can assume that this was maybe not a planned thing, that this is what all you
Right,
want to
right.
do. So it happened all
Yeah.
along the way.
Yeah, that's true.
So
So
yeah.
I was just the flow and the things took their place.
So like I had a question, like we all want to be successful in life. So can you tell me what is your definition of success, or what does success mean to you?
For me, सक्सेस मीन्स कंसिस्टेंसी. आप जो कुछ भी करना चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में, उस पे एकदम मतलब ऐसे रहना है कि नहीं, मतलब कितनी भी सिचुएशंस खराब आए, मतलब लो फेजेस आए या कुछ भी, बट यू हैव टू स्टिक टू दैट एंड यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. मतलब मेरे जर्नी में भी काफी लो फेजेस आते हैं बहुत बार, जैसे स्टार्ट किया था या फिर अभी भी कभी बहुत ऐसा होता है कि जिस भी काम में आप बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करो, जैसे किसी ब्रांड के लिए मैंने कुछ बनाया, उसमें पूरी टीम लगी या बहुत सारा कुछ हुआ और उस पर रिस्पॉन्स इतना अच्छा नहीं आया, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स की बस ऐसी मोबाइल से आपने ऐसे बिना एफर्ट्स लगाए कर दिया, वो चीज एकदम से बूम हो गई. तो इट्स लाइक दैट कि मतलब बस आप चलते रहो, आपका हो जाएगा. यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप इन बिटवीन.
Women say it's about consistency is the key.
Right.
I like how this is that one thing that is, I think, constant in every sort of profession. Whosoever, whatsoever you are, it is always said the more consistent you are, the better, the more
Right.
successful you will be.
Absolutely.
Okay, now, since it has been locked down and the way shooting has been happening for a lot of ad shoots maybe, and your photography shoots also, it has all changed. So what I would want to ask is, Instagram was always a part of a plan, or that happened ki, okay, fine, this is how I'm going to discover this?
Yeah, it happened
Okay,
like that.
And one more thing. So what I feel like is that Instagram is a constantly changing platform. So how do you tackle that? How do you make sure that you are relevant to your followers, especially that you have what 1,000 and 1,400 followers? And I mean, that's literally a milestone. So how much time did that take you? And how did you keep yourself relevant to your followers, as in, okay, this is what my followers are liking and this is what they would want to see? How do you do that?
Actually, I keep experimenting with my content. I'm just not like कि सिर्फ एक ही जो चीज आप कर रहे हो उसी में करते रहो. Because I like variety, so I think and I have tested also that my audience also likes variety. So I keep like doing different things in a month, or you can say. So this keeps them also fresh with the content, and like that I keep interacting with them also.
So like who's your main source of inspiration or a role model in your acting career or any other fashion industry, or anyone whom you inspire a lot?
Mine is Deepika Padukone any day. I just love her style, her aura, the positivity which she throws. Matlab, she's my role model.
Must say, I mean,
I think you are mute,
Yeah.
Deepika.
yeah, I'm sorry. So I must say that Deepika is that one actress who is probably looked upon by a lot of many of people. Her fashion sense, her ethics, and I must also admit that you're very similar to her. And I would say I'm lucky enough to have met you. So I mean, your aura, the way you are, and the way you have sort of groomed yourself. It's a very similar journey. So I'm wishing you all the best. First thing, may we get to see you on all Vogue posters the way we see Deepika. Okay. With this, I have come to my next question, which I think all the participants that we have, somewhere they have this thing in them also, that okay, I want to be a model, or maybe I want to be an influencer. How do I begin? And what should I do? So some tips on that.
Like for being an influencer, you can start any day. You just have to find your niche. Firstly, that in which area, in which genre you are, which is your favorite genre, and then you just have to make content consistently in that. जब आप थोड़ा सा और उसमें ग्रो कर जाओ देन यू कैन कीप ट्राइंग एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद द थिंग्स. बट पहले जो अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इफ you want to be a food influencer or reviewer kind of, so you have to, I think at least in a day you have to post one post. And now as the Instagram things are changing, so it's basically like you have to do reels, you have to do videos, IGTV and posts. So it's like a combination of so many things. So you just have to मेक कंटेंट. मतलब शुरू में आप बिल्कुल भी ऐसे मत रखो कि लाइक्स नहीं आ रहे, व्यूज नहीं आ रही, बट मतलब आप अपना जो क्वालिटी कंटेंट बनाओ ना वो आप इतना ज्यादा अच्छा बनाओ कि अभी नहीं आ रहा, बट इंस्टाग्राम ग्रेजुअली pushes that content, तो वो हजारों लोगों के पास फिर वो बाद में जाता है. मतलब इट टेक्स अ टाइम ऑफ आई थिंक 3 months. तो मतलब थोड़ा पेशेंस और कंसिस्टेंसी है बस, बाकी यू आर गुड टू गो एनी टाइम.
Okay. So means it is a gradual process and we need to have a lot of patience in order to be
Yeah.
anything else.
Right.
Okay, that's great to hear. And like one more question, like what are your further aims and aspirations for the future? What are you planning to do in the future and any
I
further
wish
aims and aspirations?
I wish to launch a brand of my own, home decor, fashion, and food. So I have these plans.
That's lovely.
So it's something like K maybe. K by Katrina is what I can recall as of now.
So that will be P by Parisha.
Cool. I mean, that's going to be really different, I guess. And then home decor. I mean, you're
Yeah.
somebody who's into beauty, who's into fitness. So my next question is
Yeah.
on fitness, by the way. And like coming, taking up home decor is something different. And
Yeah.
as I've seen your sets, I think your aesthetics are extremely beautiful. I really appreciate that. So
Thank
yeah,
you so
as I
much.
promised, my next question. So how do you keep yourself fit? And especially it's the pandemic going on. I have gained weight. A lot of our audience would have gained weight. What is your tip for it? I mean, this whole maintaining a shape is a challenge for you. So how do you take care of that?
I just eat in a limit. मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं बोलूँगी. To be honest, I was never a person who is into total fitness. But like from past 10 months, I'm into fitness and now it's like an addiction to me. तो मतलब I was like a person की जो सुबह 9 बजे से पहले भी नहीं उठा था. नाउ आई एम लाइक 6 o'clock एकदम उठ गया और 6:30 तक एकदम जिम जाना ही जाना है. एंड देन आई कम बैक अराउंड 9:30 or 10. So now I'm like this. So it's just the beginning. You have to push yourself. बस आपको थोड़ा 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 करके ना बस रुकना नहीं है. And you will just do it. और फिटनेस तो सच में एक ऐसी चीज है ना, आप ग्रेजुअली अपने अंदर जो चेंजेस देखोगे उसके बाद मतलब आपको इतना ज्यादा एडिक्शन हो जाएगा कि नहीं अब तो बस करना ही है. अगर चाहे छोटा सा ही क्यों ना मतलब आप चेंज देखो अपने अंदर, बट बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉजिटिव और मतलब सेल्फ केयर तो इज द बेस्ट थिंग.
Yeah. So Parisha, now this is a typical question. पारेशा बनने के फायदे बहुत हैं, the benefits of being you, having a fan following, getting so many stylists to design your outfit, design your clothes, and then having the cool attitude that you have. What are the side effects of being Parisha? What do you think? It's like, oh god, this is something I think I had not imagined, or maybe I want to avoid this part of being an influencer.
The side effect, I would say that that you have to prove your relatives. They are the biggest distraction in my life, and I think in everybody's life, because you can a way convince to your parents, but convincing the relatives and proving them is a big task. So in my thing also is that कि when I started, तो मतलब पेरेंट्स को तो कन्विंस करना मुश्किल था ही, बट देन माय रिलेटिव्स केम एकदम ऐसे मिर्च मसाला लगा के that what is your daughter doing, उसका कोई aim नहीं है क्या, उसका ये नहीं है क्या, and now they are the same people, those are like कि oh your daughter is doing great, और जब यही चीज वो relatives आपके parents को बोलते हैं ना, then your parents realize oh yes, ये सच है यार, our son or daughter is doing something right in life. तो ये मेरे लिए तो सबसे बड़ा ना मतलब नुकसान यही है कि आपको अपना पूरे लाइफ आपको बस प्रूव ही करते रहना होता है सबको.
So until and unless you're able to establish yourself, you have to keep convincing them and prove.
Absolutely
Yeah.
true.
Yeah. So, Parisha, this thing I want to ask, who is your fashion idol or some blogger you feel like, okay, this is what, you know, I feel that maybe this is where I want to reach, or some sort of Instagram or celebrity goals for you?
I must say Ashna Shroff or Kritika Khurana, because I really enjoy their content. It is much relatable in the sense of fashion also, and their aura is also like so, what can I say? Like so me types. So these are the two fashion influencers of Instagram whom I adore most.
So yeah. Now, Parisha, I would want to know, how has the pandemic affected your career? Since outdoor shoots and everything that has stopped. But I think as an outsider, as somebody who's not a part of the industry, we just see a tip of the iceberg sort of a thing of whatever is happening. But some insider things that you say, you know, some inventions that happened maybe, or, you know, some restrictions that you felt like that, you know, this is what the pandemic changed for good or changed for bad. Or first thing, I mean, what were the changes? And then maybe what was the good and the bad about it?
So it has really affected our work, especially when the first lockdown happened. So the brands were like, "Ki the pandemic has affected us badly, so we won't be able to pay." And that's the biggest challenge ever we have faced. So because we have invested a lot in our equipments also, like lights, camera, backdrop, matlab everything. And then the brands were like, "We are not going to pay. You just have to work for us." So it doesn't work like that now. People just see from afar, or like an outsider, they see our life and celebrities life, a very glamorous one, but they don't see matlab kya chal raha hai andar andar. So those were the 8 to 10 months that I wasn't getting much work. matlab I was not a person who totally do barter. matlab aap kab tak barter itna karoge? I'm just being honest. So I was like not picking up all the collaborations, because क्योंकि एक बार आपकी मार्केट में फिर ऐसी पर्सनैलिटी बन जाती है कि नहीं ये तो बंदी या फिर ये इंसान कर लेता है बार्टर में, देन दे आर लाइक कि नहीं आप इनको सारा बार्टर ही दो. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप अपना कंटेंट बनाओ, अपना अलग से अपने ऑडियंस को एंगेज रखो, बट जैसे आपका है आपको वैसे ही करके रखना.
So, I mean, yeah, being what you
So,
are is.
Yeah.
So how were you able to keep positivity during the time of pandemic? Like what helped you keep positivity? Like my career would still be going and all. And what kept you motivated towards your career during the pandemic times when it was there was a doom and all? Then how did what kept you motivated?
I just kept creating content. मतलब फिर I was more of a quality type person, but अब pandemic में ऐसा तो आप कर नहीं सकते, because also I was not here in Delhi, I was in my hometown. तो वहाँ पर इतना सारा मेरे पास सामान भी नहीं था, not even my clothes, क्योंकि मैं तो बस ऐसे ही गई थी. So वो एक अलग task था कि अभी कैसे क्या करना है. Then I used to style my dad's shirt, my brother's hood, and my mother's sari. So I was making
I
content
have
like
been in
that.
awe of your fashion. I mean, I have loved the way you have dressed up. It's very relatable, is what I would say. And one thing that I felt about your sense of style is that, you know, it's not something over the top. It's something, I guess, any girl, you know, your girl next door sort of a fashion.
Yeah,
And you
right.
also are somebody who has proved that you don't have to be someone who buys brands or something. The way you style up yourself, the way you amp up yourself, it's excellent, and you're inspiring.
Thank you so much, Vatika.
So apart from modeling, acting, and all this, do you have any other hobbies which
Yeah,
you
I
would
love
like
cooking.
to?
I love
Okay,
cooking.
that's
I
great.
love
Even I
setting
love
up my
cooking.
home. Cooking is just like a therapy to me. I just keep experimenting with
Same.
with food like passion.
Okay, Parisha. So my next question is very much what's in your bag sort of a thing. So whenever you're going for a shoot, so what's in your bag?
Okay. So like, how many things I need to tell you?
Whatever you feel like, or maybe if you have your bag around, you can
Your
show us that,
main
that's what an actor's bag looks like.
So whenever I go on shoot, I have a lip tint or a lip balm. That's so necessary because you can just put on your cheeks, put on your lips, put on your eyes. So मतलब एक ही चीज से 3 in 1 तीनों काम हो जाते हैं. And then a mascara, of course. And और क्या होता है? And then my clothes and my heels.
I mean, this is probably the most frugal influencer ever in that sense that, okay, fine, just 4 things and you're done. I mean, so, that's one thing I feel like that all of us girls, more than we have our wallet, more than we have money, we have
Right.
makeup stuff in our bag. But I mean, looking at you, it feels like you're a natural beauty. You know what? Just a lip tint and a mascara will do. Otherwise, God has given me a beautiful face. I can just, be amazing all the time. Okay, yeah. Parisha, when you started, tell me of one experience that, you felt, what were the struggles that time? Or maybe you felt as if, oh God, what have I entered into? Or sometime when you were conscious while shooting or that sort of an incident.
Yeah, I need to tell you that. So there was one shoot where a photographer approached me through Instagram that he wanted to collaborate with me. And he was like that we'll shoot in Connaught Place. And then I was like, okay. Then he was like, we just decided on the dresses. And he was like, okay, this one you have to wear. And then when I went, I saw there 8 more photographers with him. And I was like कि आपने तो मुझे बस बोला था कि आप ही करोगे. He was like कि नहीं नहीं ये मेरे friends हैं, they also want to click you. And then what happened next? मतलब दोपहर के it was around 12 or 2 p.m. and they were like just sending me here and there and they were like कि बस यहाँ खड़े हो जा, मतलब literally in between. Yeah, literally in between the road, and they were like 8 photographers shooting me, and I was a bit conscious. मतलब ऐसा ये वाला तो feel मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं लिया था. It was a totally celebrity feel. और मतलब ऐसे people were also passing by and they were like ऐसे मतलब ऐसे videos बना के जा रहे थे. मैंने कहा यार अभी ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So what is this? तो मतलब that was, you can say, थोड़ा सा weird experience I had in this shooting. And in acting, I had a few weird experiences in acting field also. I got
We
a
would
call
love to know them as well, the challenges.
like मतलब ऐसे people say कि Bollywood is not a good place. So to be honest, मतलब ऐसा मुझे कभी feel नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मतलब maybe शायद मैं इतने ज़्यादा खराब लोगों से नहीं मिली बॉम्बे में. But मेरे साथ 2 इंसिडेंट्स ऐसे हुए कि हाँ मुझे लगा कि नहीं मतलब there are bad and good people everywhere ना. वो तो इंडस्ट्री का बस नाम वो खराब कर देते because it's a public kind of.
Yeah.
So a guy approached me for a web series and he was he had his office in the same building where Sri Devi used to live. So he just called 2-3 girls and he was like कि आपका audition है. Then we did audition and then he was like कि now it's the time for the look test. तो आपको बस ये ऐसे change करके आना और look test आपको करना है. तो वो भी हो गया एंड देन ही वाज लिटरली मतलब ऐसे वो मुझे ना ऐसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पेपर दिखा रहा था कि ये देखो नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी का है, ये इसका है, ये उसका है, मतलब यू शुड ऑल्सो साइन दिस। मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा वो चीज ठीक नहीं लग रही थी एंड देन ही वाज लाइक कि देखो श्रीदेवी की बेटी जानवी कपूर इज ऑल्सो आवर फ्रेंड, वो हमारे नीचे ही रहती है, दे आर ऑल्सो कंफर्टेबल विद एवरीथिंग। मतलब ही इनडायरेक्टली ही वाज सेइंग एवरीथिंग। So I was like, I मतलब that was the first time I got frightened and I was like कि मैंने पता नहीं ये फील्ड क्यों चूज करी। बट मतलब ऐसे एक इंसिडेंट से आप नहीं ऐसे अपने आप को रोक सकते, बिकॉज देयर आर गुड पीपल आल्सो इन द इंडस्ट्री। लाइक आई हैव वर्क विद कबीर खान आल्सो एंड ही इज सच अ जेम ऑफ अ पर्सन। मतलब आई डिड अ वर्क वेब सीरीज विद हिम, द फॉरगॉटन आर्मी, एंड ही इज जस्ट मतलब आप जब अच्छे लोगों से मिलते हैं ना तो आपको लगता है ओ वाओ, मतलब इंडस्ट्री में इतने ज्यादा अच्छे लोग भी हैं। वो जो मीडिएटर एंड कोऑर्डिनेटर्स होते हैं वही थोड़े।
But just for our audience, we'd like to introduce you all who Kabir Khan is. He's the one who directed Tube Light, if I'm not wrong, right?
राइट।
So wow, I mean that's literally an achievement. Somebody who's worked with Salman Khan. I mean, I am actually looking forward to the days we might see you next to some Khans or Kapoors, maybe.
So can you tell me something about the latest web series?
Yeah, recently I worked with Zoya Khan's Made in Heaven second part. So I worked in the first episode with her, and she's also the best person to work with. मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा friendly, इतना ज़्यादा fun वहाँ का environment था ना, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा. That was the best experience in the web series I have done. I am just
What's the
wishing.
name of, what's
Yeah.
the name of the web
It's Made in.
series? We'll watch it for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So before I move on to my next question, this is a reminder for the audience. Please have your questions in place. We'll be just beginning with that as well. So Parisha, while going through, some of Business Insider videos, I came across that a model is not just known for her face. There are models who are into hand modeling or maybe foot modeling or maybe. So please share, I mean, what is the prospect of these sort of modeling? And if you could tell us about what the different types of modeling are available, or is it always that what we see that, some amazing model maybe walking for Victoria's Secret or on the Lakme Fashion Week, and is it actually that tough that I need to have a 5'10" 5'10" wala height or something, or is it something that is it an inclusive industry in any sort or not?
Yeah, like for a proper modeling, we need a height. I'm not a that model because my height is not that much. So like these days, all the influencers are models for the brands, and the models which you are talking about, they are the models. They are the proper models, like because they have a perfect figure which the brands and the agencies are looking for. They have a height like 5'10" minimum of girls, and there are many more reasons. Like I was I was called by an agency in Delhi, but because of my height, they are like you are not fit. So there are so many those of criteria for a model to be a model. This is like that. Like to be a Instagram model, you can be of any height, any weight, any color. That doesn't matter. But for them, every small thing matters.
So I can say that we still have a long way to go when it comes to having an inclusive industry for modeling and maybe
Right.
other professions. So yeah, Parisha, I mean, coming to the next question that I had was, how do you think the brands and everything that happens, what in your opinion is a more effective way, having TV commercials, having yourselves on ad videos or anything, or maybe Instagram marketing? What has been your perspective, as in, if I am a model and I want to begin with something, what should I be more interested towards? Having Instagram as my main source of advertisement or everything, or maybe having TV commercials? What does benefit our model more?
Mm, I think both, because if you are an Instagram model, you have the full like power, because you are making the content. The brand doesn't care about it. Brand cares, but they are like, you have the freedom to make it on your own. And if you are working with an agency, so you are the model there. You are only the face there. They will just say that you have to do this and you have to do that, and you have to accordingly act like that. But I think in the mode of payment, it will differ much. In the modeling, in the agency thing, you will get more of money and you will just have less of efforts. But in this Instagram thing, they might or they might not like pay that much, but the efforts are 100 200%.
Okay, so I can assume that, Instagram gives you a liberty, more liberty, and more ideas to yourself. But I guess in terms of
Absolutely.
payment, having a TV commercial is a better choice.
So much.
Yeah, right.
So Parisha, I mean, I am really excited to know, when can I see you on screen next time? Where can I see you? What are your upcoming plans, projects, and a little bit of, insider information for our audience.
Very soon, one of my TV commercial is launching, that is for Dabur. I think in a month or two that will be released, and there are a few secret projects which soon I will be announcing on my Instagram. So yeah.
Okay. So now we open by the time, maybe you can tell us what are your current plans, if you're into something, some sort of projects or anything that you're doing right now.
Right now, I am mostly doing the traditional brand endorsements. And
So right now you're focusing more. Sorry. Yeah,
more on
speak.
fashion, right?
So right now you're focusing more on acting career or modeling?
Actually, it depends. If I get a good opportunity in acting, then acting is always my first priority any day. But this thing is also going side by side.
So yeah, audience, this is your time. We're waiting for your questions. Okay, we have one here. So Garima, would you like to unmute yourself and ask? Or maybe we can read out the question. I mean, you have the floor open. You can unmute yourself, you can enable your video and have a chat with Parisha directly as well.
Hello, ma'am. So many times what we see that, people start commenting negatively on the pictures or the post that you post, and it, goes on, and then they basically troll influencers for no reason. So sometimes that might have happened with your friends or with you. So how to deal with that?
Like, you just have to ignore. That's the only option. It actually affects our mental health, but we can't do anything. We just have to ignore that. And also,
Is it
being a public figure, we can't speak out anything like that also. So we just have to ignore the things and just be mentally strong to deal with it.
Yeah, so coming to like that, you've talked about mental health and more of this spiritual well-being, or something that you feel like that an actor does to keep all of this there online.
Yeah.
You're not audible, Parisha. In case you're trying to speak, I think there's some network issue or something.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible. So yeah, I mean, the question was basically about, how do you deal, how do you keep up a good mental health?
I'm just being a spiritual person for months now, and this has helped me a lot. Literally, I started reading, I started journaling, and meditation is the best thing which anyone can do.
Okay, yeah, we have a question from Rotractor Ishika. Ishika, kindly let us know if you would want to unmute yourself and enable your video and have a chat with Miss Parisha directly. Sure. So I'll just read out her question to you. So Ishika has asked, what all does it take for an actor to prepare for the roles that you have been given? And how, how
actually takes
tasking is that?
lot. It actually takes a lot. Like when while auditioning, we are just given a piece of paper with our script, but that's not just the thing. Like we have to like learn that in a specific time, and then with the expressions, with the feelings, like with much more, we have to express that in front of the selectors. So it's another level task now here कि आपको मतलब एक तो एक लिमिट ऑफ टाइम में आपको याद करना है इतना ज्यादा, फिर आपको इतना ज्यादा फीलिंग से लाइक if you are new or something, they get to know by the style we walk, we enter in the room, and we speak or introduce ourselves. So it's like that. And then or matlab sach mein it happens like that. Like when I auditioned for the first time na, I just went in and there were 20 people in the room. और मतलब वैसे ही I was very nervous. Then अब आप इतना ज्यादा नर्वस हो, ऊपर से आपकी इतनी बड़ी स्क्रिप्ट, आप कैसे उसको इतना ज्यादा मतलब करोगे? या तो आपने जो याद किया है वो एकदम से आप बोल दोगे, ब्लैबर कर दोगे एकदम से, या फिर आप कैसे उसको इमोशंस के साथ मतलब बाहर लेकर आओगे? फिर बहुत बार बीच में ऐसा भी होता था ना कि इतना ज्यादा नर्वस हो गए कि बोलते बोलते आवाज ही चली गई. So it happened like that, but gradually I just
That
learned everything.
improves with time.
Yeah.
So Parisha, what was one of your, toughest roles, or some role that you felt like, okay, fine, this is something that is going to require the max out of me as of now?
Like I always had a problem of crying in front of others. So मतलब मुझे इस चीज में भी इसने काफी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम दिया. So when I did a show in my theater, so it required me that thing कि इतना ज्यादा आपको इमोशनल रोल है यहाँ पर, और आपको ये सीन ऐसे डिपिक्ट करना है उसमें बहुत ज्यादा मतलब फीलिंग्स के साथ, जैसे आपका कोई क्लोज्ड वन चला गया आपको छोड़ के, तो आपको वो सीन करना था. मतलब एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैं कैसे रोऊं? अब मैं तो बाहर किसी के सामने से रोती नहीं हूँ. एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम विद मी वाज दैट कि आई वाज इन अ शेल, तो वो मुझे बबल थोड़ा तोड़ना पड़ा अपना, बट आई डिड इट. एंड देन उसके बाद तो आई वाज लाइक आई कैन डू एनीथिंग नाउ.
So I had one question, like since there is a lot of competition in media and acting career, so how do you deal with so much of competition in your life? How are you able to?
Yeah, there is a lot of competition. Like there are lakhs of people every day going for the auditions, but I was every time I was lucky enough to enter the production house. Like people there are like standing in a line, and then वहाँ गेट पर ही एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस का इंसान होता है. देन ही वाज लाइक फिट नॉट फिट, फिट नॉट फिट. ही मतलब गेट से दे आर सेलेक्टिंग पीपल शक्ल देख के कि फिट नॉट फिट. अगर आपको फिट बोल दे then you will go inside, and then again अंदर भी एक राउंड होता था. then you are given the script. So every time I was lucky enough to enter the production house and give the script, and then बाकी तो फिर वो उनके ऊपर होता था कि select करते हैं नहीं. So
So is
मतलब
there any time?
I was grateful enough.
So is there any time when you like lost all hope and felt like backing out or something like that? Any phase of your life when you felt like backing out from all this?
Yeah, once I received actually twice I received a role from Alt Balaji, but the character and the role was like that I cannot do, because I also have limitations, because my family also was not like supporting me. So twice I ignored that big opportunity for me. तो तब मुझे थोड़ा लगा कि हाँ मतलब से आपको अच्छे कामों को भी थोड़ा रख देना चाहिए दूर, या फिर क्योंकि आप स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हो किसी काम से, तो मतलब यू शुड बी प्राउड, यू शुड मेक योर फैमिली प्राउड. I was like that always.
But still, your
So, yeah.
optimistic spirit kept you going.
We have a question from the audience. Kumar Karan asks, how difficult is it to prepare oneself for their first audition? And is it too late to become an actor for a person who is 25 now and to dream to be an actor at this age?
The earlier you start, that will be better, but there is no age limit or time to start career in acting, because you can see so many like Boman Irani and Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He has been struggling for 17 years, and now few years ago he got his first like fame. So I don't think कि मतलब age इसमें matter करती है या नहीं, but you can give it a chance anytime.
Okay, so with this question, we'll be closing the stage for questions anymore. So there's a question from Jay. So there's this rumor that goes on that, you know, when actors don't cry, you know, they put glycerin in your eyes to induce crying or these sort of things. And then, you know,
Yeah.
that, what do you use? That funny glass and all of that is used. So what we actually see, and are all of these things true?
Yeah, that's true. That's actually true.
So you've used glycerin or something in your ad shoots?
हाँ मतलब हम लोग को ना 2 ऑप्शंस दिए जाते हैं कि अगर आपको ऐसे, या तो they ask us to remember something very deep and something very sad, कि उससे आपको इंटरनली ही रोना आ जाए. बट मतलब मेनली क्या होता है कि बार बार आपका कट हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, कट हो रहा है, तो बार बार तो ऐसे इंसान नहीं रो सकता ना. देन दे आस्क अस टू पुट द ग्लिसरीन इन आवर आईज, और फिर ऐसे ऐसे करते रहो तो अपने आप द टीयर्स कम आउट.
So are there times जब आपको ऐसे naturally you're so involved in it that आपको actually में रोना आ जाए and all?
हाँ, in my first, अभी I shared ना in my that theater show, तो वहां पर मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ी थी, तो मैं सच में ऐसे रो गई थी.
So yeah, with this, we come to the end of questions now, and we would like to invite Rotractor Garima for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Rotractor Vartika, for inviting me. I, on behalf of Rotaract Club of Noida Youth, would like to express my gratitude to our honorable speaker, Ms. Parisha Sharma, to take out time from her busy schedule to grace the event. The session has been quite informative and enjoyable while you shared the honest behind the scenes of your career. Thank you, ma'am, for being there with us today. I would also like to thank the entire team of Rotaract Club of Noida Youth, along with all the collaborating clubs, Rotaract Club of Salem Gems, Rotaract Club of Salem Gugai, Rotaract Club of Delhi University South Campus, and Rotaract Club of South Campus Midwest. Thank you to all our supportive participants. We will be back with another session of Rotaract Talks. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Parisha,
Thank
for
you so
joining
much,
us.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure to have you today.
All right.
So we're waiting for you to have you again on our platform.
Sure.
And thank you for joining us.
I would love to. Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. And it was an honor to have you here. So for the participants, you all can start leaving. Thank you for joining us. We'll be waiting for you in the next sessions as well. Thank you, Parisha. Thank you, everybody. Good night.
Thank you.